2, 3, funky.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm with my mom right now. You might have thought that was Jordan, but it's not. It's my beautiful and gorgeous mother. And we're driving to Jordan's right now. We picked up Chipotle, our fave. So if you didn't know, me and Jordan are going camping this weekend with his family. So we're driving to his house right now. I have my stuff.
Gina is going glamping. There's no such thing as camping for this chick.
I did pack quite a bit and also brought many, many snacks. It's really long.
What's up?
What we're doing.
What do you mean? We're going up to Fletcher's Pond, and we're gonna go fishing and fishing and fishing. We're gonna walk around the campsite. We're gonna stay on my papa's RV, and we're gonna have a good time. On Sunday, we get to me and Gina get to drive our own boat around and just hang out for the day. So it'll be a lot of fun.
He never cleans his room, so I always have to clean it for him. We're doing a nice little vacuum before we have to leave. So, here's the thing. I am excited to be on a trip with Jordan.
No, she's not.
Yes, I am. I'm excited to be on a trip with you. However, I'm a little nervous about the whole camping thing. I've never been camping before. So thank the Lord we're in an RV and it'll be nice. It'll basically be like we're in a little hotel. I guess we're going to be sleeping in that tonight. And what?
You're adorable.
Okay, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm gonna get her to grab a fish.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna get her to take one off the hook. I don't go fishing a lot, to be honest. Like I've been.
We had to get fishing license.
Maybe 5 times.
I painted my nails and my toes. Okay.
And we'll see you guys in the car. Let's do it.
We're in the car.
Alright, we're about 20 minutes in on the trip, and Gina is cashed already. She's cashed.
Good morning, vlog. It is currently 6 o'clock.
We're about to eat some breakfast, waiting for some eggs. Then we're gonna go out and start fishing.
We are about to leave, and it's 7:06.
I'm tired. I didn't get any sleep. I'm about to catch some fish.
No sleep.
You didn't get any sleep?
None at all.
Going down to the boat. About to start fishing, maybe. Right? Are you excited? No, she's tired. She just fell asleep for 5 seconds. See you guys later.
Hey guys, oh Lord. So, we just got off the boat and we're taking a lunch break. Look at my nose. It's so cold.
Lunch break.
Amazing.
I'm about to bang
And
some food.
I got the most fish out of everyone.
She
Didn't
caught 3 bluegill that were this big.
I don't know what any of the fish are, but they were cute. So we just woke up from a nap. I slept for like 2 hours. I guess we're gonna be sleeping in that tonight. Tent.
So what does this do now?
So
to go out for round 2 for us.
Our round 2, everyone else is round 3. Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
Right here.
Update, we ran out of gas.
Time family transport.
So,
Straight out front, man. We need gas.
we're filling up the gas. Someone came out to help.
It's almost a little boat.
It's broke. It is broke. You cannot
Talk about the ultimate fishing boat. Hey, KBTV.
Keep the tip up. There you go.
I got it. Don't let him. I got him. Don't worry.
I got you.
That's a bass too. That's a catch.
Oh, that's a keeper bass. That's a
Good job, baby.
Good job.
Good job.
I thought it was seaweed the whole time.
No, they take you down in the weeds. That's what they do. Down in the weeds. Good job.
Good job, Jordan.
Grab his mouth now.
They were stuck on
Let's
the
measure it first.
Stuck on the net.
Yeah.
Just exactly.
He's about the same.
Yeah,
Hey,
exactly.
look, we got triplets. Let's go. We got
I love triples.
Yep.
too small.
Hey guys, so we just finished dinner. We had burgers because we were gonna have fish, but then we decided to save them for tomorrow night. But I'm about to change into some PJs and I'm gonna dress warm because we are going to sleep in the tent. So I'm kind of nervous about that, but we'll vlog once we get in the tent because we're just gonna be chilling in there all night. We're having a little bonfire. There's our tent. Oh, you can't see anything. Okay. Hi guys, we're in the tent right now, and there's a heater in here, so it's like honestly not cold. It's really warm, but I'm so nervous.
She's never slept in a tent before.
Never. Yeah, and then tomorrow, like, we can get up early and fish, but we don't have to. That's it.
And we're going to.
And then, I don't know. Your dad said we could do whatever tomorrow.
Good morning. We slept in the tent last night, and it wasn't that bad. I got a good sleep, right? Wasn't terrible. And I just came inside to eat, and we didn't wake up for the 6 a.m. trip, surprisingly. Not really. We're about to go out soon, and we'll see you guys then.
So,
We're going out
we're going to fish
some more.
some more. We were going to sleep in, but then someone just didn't sleep at all. Ow!
We're about to go fishing. We're about to catch some nice fish, and I'm gonna throw Gina in the water, right?
I would love to.
A little bit warmer than yesterday.
It's a lot warmer than yesterday, Goo. We are coming in for lunch.
I didn't catch a single thing.
Didn't catch a single thing.
Actually, my Pokemon
I
caught one.
slept. Had a potty break and a snack. It's like 7 o'clock. We're about to get back on. I'm wearing Sada Baby because I got fish blood on my sweatshirt, so.
We're about to go in for the day. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm exhausted.
And we're gonna eat dinner, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's not a look.
Good morning. We just woke up. It's like 9:30 and we're gonna clean the RV, get dressed, and then go out on the boat. Me and Jordan have our own boat today. We are now all dressed and ready, and we are going down to our boat. I'm having a little zone bar for breakfast, and so is he. I gave him one of these. We packed a little bag with some snacks, a sweatshirt, because I'm just wearing a t-shirt because it's actually really nice out right now. We obviously have a blanket just in case, and yeah, we're getting ready to go. Are you ready for a fun day?
Uh-huh.
Are you sleepy?
No. I got to sleep in finally to my normal time, kinda.
Kinda.
Not even close.
So we got down to like where we get our boat and stuff, and we've been waiting here for quite a long time, and the guy like isn't coming. So me and Jordan are about to steal the big old pontoon boat, even though we're supposed to be in one of these little guys. We are now in this boat that Jordan picked out, and he is going up to see the guy, try and get him down here one more time. And he's also getting us water because I went to hand him my water and I dropped it on accident. We just got in with the boat and now we are going to pack up. It's like 2:45 right now. We're gonna put down the tent and pack up the RV and get ready to go. So that is the end of our camping fishing trip vlog. We wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed, and like and definitely subscribe to our channel for more videos. Do you need to say?
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
There you go. Go green!
Not me. I just caught another fish. Okay, go. Oh, Jordan! This is not that fun. It makes me